Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can create a digital journal for Amazon KDP by using Canva on your laptop or PC. So at first go to your Google Chrome and then search for Canva. Hop on this new one that comes up. After that, you want to make sure you tap on custom size, and then this one is set to inch. So the first thing we're going to be designing is the out cover or the paperback, the front and the back of your book or journal. So the width has to be 12.54 if you're using a 6 by 9 dimension, and height has to be 9.25 if I'm not sure. Yes, 9.25. So this is the basic for your paperback, and we tap on create new design and it brings up to a page like this. So this is basically the front and the back of your paper. So what I want to do is just search for background. I want to just give you something simple, and remember this is only a tutorial and you can do whatever you want. For now I'm just gonna lock all of them, group them into one so they don't move. Okay, perfect. After that you can edit it, it's up to you, but I'm going to keep it like this for now. And then what I'm going to do is I want to add some elements, so I'll go into lines and shapes. I'll take this one and I'll rotate it like this, and then just bring it a bit in the middle and then expand it like so. And I'm gonna duplicate two more. There you go. And I'm gonna bring this one over here like so, and this one too. Okay, so they're in perfect dimension. So this part that you're seeing is going to be my front, the right part, and this is going to be my back. So for that, what I'm going to do, and just go to text and then add a heading, and suppose I'm going to use a different font. So this is basically going to be on the front cover, so this could be the name of your journal. So suppose this says how to cook, let's say, for example, and then we just put it over there, and then we do add a subheading, and then you can write journal by whatever your name is. You tap on add a little bit. Suppose your name is Mrs. Smith. There you go. And all we do is just adjust it like so. A bit over here. This part is completely up to you, whatever you want on your front. And on the elements, suppose if you can get anything like cooking. This one seems nice. I'll just move it over here. This one seems very cute, and on the back I'm going to put this one, and then basically anything else that you want in your back to be the record name or simple guideline, but this is up to you. And now let's get into our second part, which is the inside of the books or the journal that you want. So since after the new page loads, we tap on custom size, we select inch 6 and height is 9, and then we tap on create new design, and an A4 type paper size comes up, and this is basically where we want to do all of our work in. And this thing I want it to match the vibe of this one. So I'll just tap on this and I'll just see the color, the hex E8E4D9. So just go and just put in hashtag EDE489. Sorry, did I put something wrong? 4D9, sorry, my bad. 4D9. There you go. This is the inside. So what I want from here is just get into elements and then lines. I want a lot of lines in my journal. So I'll just put it over up like this. I'll just add a little bit of a text to a subheading that says date, so I can keep track, and this is actually helpful. So I'll just put it over there, and I'll just duplicate these a little bit further, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it. Now this part is completely up to you. And suppose at the bottom, I want to add this one again, just because it seems nice, or you could have it in the middle. And at the bottom, what I want to do is go to lines and shapes into this element box, and I want to put a small notes section, basically like so. Maybe the color of this can be white. There you go. And we expand it a bit like that, and at the bottom we just write notes, and we just bring it down. Just a small thing for me to keep track, or anyone, like if they had anything from the day specifically that they want to keep, like that. And then this depends on how many days you're keeping, like how many, what do you call it, pages that you want in your journal to be. So like that. So suppose add another page, or what you could do is just tap on duplicate page right here, and you'll see a similar page like that pops up, and you just keep doing that. And suppose I just want what do you call it, a page that just sums up whatever I did in the entire week. So I'll just tap on add page. So this is a random basic page, and then I'll go into elements, after that into lines and shapes, and just add something like this square over here, like this. Okay, there you go. This seems perfect. And we'll just make it white, like so. And then just go back into graphics and add something like this. Small it, and then just move it at the bottom here, because we don't want this making or taking any much more time. And then over here I can add summary of the entire week, like so. And yep, and we put it over there, and we just change the font to something else. And I want some lines over here, so I just go back into lines and shapes, see all, and I want dotted lines over here. So yep, up to this, and we drag, oops, sorry, my bad, this thing. How do I, wait, it got grouped. Very good, actually. Okay, there you go. No. So I want some dotted lines, so I'll just add this up to this, and this up to this, and I'll just take it up, and I'll just duplicate, and then I'll just add this and a few more lines like this, and just there you go. I think this looks good, and you can duplicate it into how many pages that you had in your journal. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.